As a fashion designer, you must have heard about this effect whenever you are drafting a cloth. Now let me show you. Look at this. As you can see here, you notice that the front part of the armhole is entering inside while the back part is what? Straight. Now I want to show you something. This is the back armhole. Do you understand? It is actually straight while the front part, from the center part here of the armhole length, it is entering inside. Now I want to show you something. Look at this. You notice that according to this, we entered in from this center here with either 0.5 or 1 inch. Now I call this personally the armhole effect. Now before I move on with my explanation, I need to tell you the reasons why we do this armhole effect. Now this is the reason. Have you ever been in a situation whereby after you are done sewing, you notice that this part of your armhole is squeezing? Do you understand? It's puckering. It's not staying very well. It's not relaxing. Now the reason for this, to tell you the truth, is because there is excess allowance here. There is excess of your fabric here. Now why is there excess of your fabric there? Or why are we supposed to be thinking about that excess fabric? Now the reason is because the anatomy of a human being, the way a human being is created, is that this part of your body is kind of entering inside, is not coming out. Do you understand? Look at it. This part of your body is entering inside. This front part of your body, because of the armhole, is entering inside, is not what? Coming out. While the back part is the opposite. Look at it. This side is coming out. So if you do like this, you notice that it's actually doing what? Coming out. So because of this, the distance from here to here and the distance from here to here, it is not actually the same thing. That means the distance from here to here at the back, which I really call the what? Across back, is bigger than the distance from here to here, which I call the what? Across front. Do you understand now? So I'm going to be giving you a simple formula on how to get whatever you are going to be using here without using ½ inch or 1 inch, without even knowing the reason why you are doing so. Now look at it. This will enable you to get a perfect measurement. Now let's say in a situation whereby our across back, do you understand, that is from here to here, is actually 16 inches. Remember we said that the across back is obviously bigger than the what? Across front. Now let's say that across front is what? 15 inches. So the formula is this. Across back, do you understand, minus across front. Whatever it gives you, let's check it now. 16 minus 15 is actually going to give you what? 1. So you have to do 1 divided by 2. Why are we dividing it by 2? It's because when you are drafting, you are folding your front pattern especially, or we usually fold by 2. You fold the front by 2, you fold the back by 2. So that is why we are dividing. So what are we going to be having? 0.5. So this is literally telling you that whenever you want to step back from here in order to form your armhole effect, you need to be using what? 0.5. Now let me give you another example. Let's say in a situation whereby our cross back is 16 and our cross front is 14. Do you understand? So all you have to do is 16 minus 14, which is going to be giving you what? 2 inches. So 2 divided by 2 is going to be giving you what? 1. So it literally means that the distance from here to here is actually going to be 1 inch. So I hope this is very, very clear. So in a situation whereby you actually understood everything I've taught and you are amazed by what I've taught, make sure you go and get your own copy of the perfect dress cutting guide, because what you are seeing here cannot be compared to what is inside that book. See, I've gotten all these experiences that I've put it inside this particular book. Go and get your own. If you're watching on TikTok, make sure you click on the first link on my bio and get it. If you are seeing it as an advert, make sure you click on the link below. Click on the learn more button to get this. Rush now. In a situation whereby you get this within 24 hours, I'm going to be adding you to my video guide Telegram group. This is a premium group that all these things are being taught inside there. Those secrets that some tailors will not teach you, some teachers will not teach you, I will teach you all these things. Thanks and may God bless you. In case you're in America, you're in China, you want to get this book as a hard copy. If you're in abroad, make sure you run to Amazon and search the perfect dress cutting guide, and make sure you click on the paperback, which is the hardcover. You are going to be, just click on it. That book is going to be delivered in front of your doorstep. Thanks and may God bless you, and I love you.